Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mylene Bueno. I'm 30 years old. I'm from in the Philippines. I'm married. I have 2 kids, one daughter and one son. I'm Roman Catholic and high school graduate. I'm the second in my family. My father is already died and my mother is housewife. My experience is I work as a housemaid in UAE for 2 years. I serve 3 members in the family, including one children, ages 5 years old. My duties and responsibilities in a previous job is taking care of the children, ironing, washing clothes, gardening, and many more. And I know how to cook Filipino food like adobo, menudo, mechado, and others. To my future employer, if I choose me, I will promise I will do my best to work hard and I will finish my contract in your family. Thank you and have a nice day.